Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Google Cloud swag which I got after completion of arcade program 2022. So I'm going to unbox this. This is the box provided by Google Cloud, and here is our teapot. So let us unbox this. Let me unbox this. Let's see what it is there and within this. So once I'm opening this, I'm able to see this beautiful looking Google Cloud teapot. So let's see. So whenever I'm open this is the box. You can see this is the box, and I'm moving this, and this is our product. Let us see how to do that. Here is the main product of Google Cloud. You can check, this is the main product of Google Cloud, so which I got after completion of Qwiklabs arcade program, which came in the last year 2022. And yeah, so I'm going to open this. So this is the thing, you can check. I'll move this. So this is the product. So let me open that. Check the full view of that Google Cloud teapot, which they introduced this swag this year. It was not there till last year 2022. So this is the inside of that Google Cloud teapot. You can check that, and it is a the storage capacity of this teapot is 800 ml. So you can put 800 ml tea or any warm water there. So based on your capabilities, you can put that. So this is the view, you can check. And yeah, along with this Google Cloud black teapot, I got two more swags from Google Cloud. You can see those two boxes here. So first one, that caps are there, Google Cloud. So this is the first cap which I got from Google Cloud. Yeah, so this is the first cap, and this is the second cap. Let me unbox this. This is the second cap which I got from Google Cloud. So these three are my swags for this 2022. Let me make this.